These are pumps designed to transport water from a lower level to a higher one. A pump operated properly will do its job for years to come with few problems. There are pumps that use mechanical energy provided by people to pump water. It usually consists of a pumping handle with a spout for the water to come out. This is the simplest and earliest way that moves the water for you, but it works where there is no electric power. Impeller pumps use a type of turbine that forces water through the system. This allows it to be ejected from the pump at high pressure. These are often the most powerful kinds of pump, but they can be used at lower power levels. So how does a water pump work, you may ask? These pumps use a piston or a turbine to produce a partial vacuum to draw the water out of the wall. The same piston or turbine is then used to increase the pressure of the water. This pressure, in turn, pushes the water out of the pump and down the pipes. With a manual pump, the user pushing the handle up and down. You push down on the handle to create a vacuum that closes a valve on the spout and draws water from the wall. When you push the handle up, the water pressure closes a valve to keep the water from going back into the well, while opening the one in the spout to push water out. In these pumps, the impeller spins like a jet turbine to push water. This causes the water to be at a pressure much higher than atmospheric pressure. It is usually powered by an electric motor that turns the impeller. However, there are some that use a gasoline motor for when electricity is not available. These pumps use a closed impeller to move the water. It is brought in through a central pipe and centrifugal force pushes it out the edge. Once the water reaches the edge pressure from the water behind, it forces it through the outtake. Whether you live in your own home, rentals, or apartments, you must have a regular supply of water to survive. For most people, they see water running in the kitchens, showers, and gardens, but have never given a thought on how the water reaches their homes. In most cases, water pumps are responsible for pumping the water to people's residential places, therefore ensuring that everybody has access to clean and safe water. Different types of water pumps are available here. The type of water pump to be used in a certain region or residential place depends on a number of factors including water table and the consistency of water supply. In this article, I'm going to focus on how a shallow wall pump works because it is the one used in many homes. Jet water pumps are usually installed above the well or any other source of water. They work by sucking water from the well/source and pumping them to a tank that is categorically placed for distribution. For these types of pumps, atmospheric pressure plays a huge role in their success. To elaborate further, the jet well pump is similar to a long straw. Thanks for watching. Until next time.